Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. I had to take me a little break because I was super sick, but I'm feeling much better now. I did have to get tested for that nasty virus, and I am happy to report it came back negative. So after some antibiotics, I'm feeling much better, and I'm just trying to get back in the swing of things. So today we're going to be going over some Dollar General all digital scenarios for Saturday, October 17th, using that 5 off 25. So if you're ready to see what awesome deals we have, just keep watching. Before we get started, let's go over a few things you need to remember when shopping at Dollar General. The very first and most important rule is you want to scan every item in the store with your app. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second, but the reason you are doing that is because you want to check that the prices come up correctly. There are times when an item could be on sale, or it could also be a price break, and the Dollar General employees just don't have time to change the tag. So you want to scan the item to make sure the price is what you have wrote down on your scenario, because if that price is off just a little bit and it throws you under $25, the 5 off 25 will not come off at the register. Another reason you're scanning those items is to make sure the digital coupons are attaching. At Dollar General, the digital coupons are very finicky. Sometimes it will attach to an item of 1 cent, but it will not attach to the same item of a different cent. So you need to scan to make sure those items are definitely attaching. If you're doing a gain scenario, you want to make sure the coupon you're using plus the gain coupon are both attaching to each item in that scenario. If there is one single item in that gain scenario that's not attaching to that gain coupon and it throws you below that $30 gain total, then that gain coupon is not coming off at the register. I'm also going to show you in just a second what I mean with that gain coupon attaching. Another thing to keep in mind is those instant savings. As an example, if you're doing a 5 off 25 deal and you have a spend 15 on Scott products, save $3 instantly, then you're going to have to make sure your new total is $28 before coupons, because that $3 will come off and you still have to be at that $25 threshold after that instant savings comes off. And lastly, get what you need, not what is cheap. I personally do not like travel and trial size items. So before I wouldn't even put them in my scenarios, but people really like the very low out-of-pocket scenarios with all the travel and trial size things. So now I try to include at least one very low out-of-pocket scenario for you. And now let's do a quick rundown of how to use the app. First thing you're going to do is open up the app. Once you open it up, you're going to click right here in the middle at the bottom onto list. Once the screen opens up, you're going to check the top. You're going to make sure this location is the store that you're at. If not, you're going to hit change store and put it on the correct location. Once you're set on the correct location, you're ready to scan some items. So you're going to click this little barcode here. The screen will pop up and then you are ready to scan. I'm going to scan a few items out of my stockpile to show you what will happen. Here is some Gain dish soap. When we scan it, we see there's a 50-cent coupon. We also see that the Gain digital coupon is attaching. Now we're going to click add to list. If you look up here, it'll show it in our cart. Click the deals applied. It'll show you what coupon attached to it. Now we're ready to scan another item. So let's click the barcode again. And like before, once you click the barcode, the screen will pop up and you can begin scanning another item. We're going to grab an Airwick oil twin pack. Let's go ahead and scan it. As you can see at the bottom, there's nothing there. That means no coupons have attached to this item. If you know for a fact this item does have a coupon and it's showing there's no coupons, go ahead and scan a different scent because you may find a coupon for a different scent. Okay, now let's grab some You Buy Kotex and scan them and see if there's any coupons that attach to them. You find the barcode and scan it here. You will see that a $1 coupon attaches to this item. This little check mark over here has to be checked in order for the coupon to be clipped to your account. One more little thing I want to add is this total here at the bottom, the $4.27. Do not go by that total. That total is rarely correct. The best way to get your total is to do some old school math on a piece of paper with a pencil. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into our first scenario. We're going to pick up one of the Gain Flings, 51 count. It's one of those big old tubs. It's $13.50. We're going to use that 3 off 1 Gain digital coupon. Then we're going to buy one of the Gain fabric softeners, 90 ounce. It's $6.95. We're going to use that 2 off 1 Gain fabric enhancer digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up 2 of the Gain dish soaps. They're $2 each. We're going to use that $1 off 2 Gain dish soap digital coupon. We're going to buy 2 of the Mr. Clean Gain scented multi-surface cleaners. They are $3 each. We're going to use that $1 off 2 Mr. Clean digital coupon. We're going to make sure that 5 off 30 Gain purchase coupon is clipped to our account. Also make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to your account. The cashier is going to ring up all of your items. Your total will come to $30.45. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $17 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $13.45. That is less than the price of the 51 count Gain Flings. Most couponers use rebate apps, and to be honest, there are only 2 rebate apps I really use. Those 2 apps are Fetch Rewards and IBOTTA. These are the 2 easiest rebate apps to use with the biggest returns. So if you aren't already using these apps, you should go ahead and download them, and you can use my referral code. For Fetch Rewards, my referral code is VRYQQ. You'll get 2,000 bonus points for using my referral code when you scan your first receipt. In my personal opinion, Fetch Rewards is the easiest one to use. You don't have to clip any offers. Fetch has over 300 participating brands. You go shopping, you scan your receipt. Every receipt is worth at least 25 points. If you purchase one of their participating brands, you get bonus points. So again, my referral code is VRYQQ. The next app I suggest is IBOTTA. If you download IBOTTA, use my referral code. It's rwoenvt. IBOTTA has a ton of different offers you can choose from a ton of different stores. They also offer many different bonuses for different items purchased. Also, if you purchase a certain number of offers, they will give you bonus money for those. There's just a ton of different ways to get free money from IBOTTA, so go ahead and download the app. Use my referral code rwoenvt. That will add you to my team. Then we can earn team bonuses together. Okay, let's do a food scenario. First, we're going to pick up 4 boxes of the General Mills cereal. They're on sale this week, 2 for $5. We're going to use a $1 off 1 General Mills digital coupon. We're also going to use a $1 off 2 General Mills digital coupon. Then we're going to use the 2 off 10 General Mills store digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up 2 bags of the Chex Mix. They're 8.75 ounces. They're on sale 2 for $2. We're going to use that 50-cent off 2 Chex Mix digital coupon. We're going to buy 2 bags of the Quaker Rice Crisp. They also have the Quaker Rice Crisp Puffs. They're $1.50 each. We're going to use that buy one, get one free Quaker Rice Crisp digital coupon. We're going to buy 3 bags of the $5 Halloween candy. They're on sale, buy 2, get 1 free. We're going to make sure that 5 off 25 digital coupon is clipped to our account. We're going to head on up to the register. The cashier is going to ring up all of these items. Our total is going to come to exactly $25. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $11 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total for all this food just $14 before tax. Then don't forget to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards to get back some points for the Chex Mix. Okay, for our next scenario, we're going to pick up one of the Always Discreet pads for $5. We're going to use that $4 off 1 Always Discreet digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 Schick Skintimate or Hydro Silk Razor for $7. We're going to use the $3 off 1 Schick Razor digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 of the Dawn Power Wash dish sprays for $4.95. We're going to use that $1 off 1 Dawn Power Wash digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 Suavitel fabric softener, 135 ounce for $7. We're also going to buy 1 Suavitel fabric sheet, 40 count for $1.75. We're going to use that buy one, get one free Suavitel digital coupon. We're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to our account. The cashier is going to ring up all of your items. Your total will come to $25.70. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $14.75 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $10.95. And now for a very low out-of-pocket scenario. We're going to buy 1 Always Discreet pads for $5. We're going to use that $4 off 1 Always Discreet digital coupon. We're going to pick up 1 Schick Extreme 4 razor. It's a 3 count for $6. We're going to use that $4 off 1 Schick razor digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 of the Head & Shoulders in the travel section. They're $2 each. We're going to use that $2 off 1 Head & Shoulders digital coupon. We're going to pick up 1 Tide Simply Pods with Oxy. They're $2.95. We're going to use that $2 off 1 Tide Pod digital coupon. We're going to buy 2 of the Suave Professional shampoo and conditioner. They're $3 each. We're going to use the $2 off 2 Suave digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up 1 of the Suave hair and body 2-in-1. They're $2. We're going to use the $1 off 1 Suave digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 Dawn Power Wash refill for $3.95. We're going to use the $1 off 1 Dawn Power Wash digital coupon. We're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is also clipped to our account. Cashier is going to ring up all of our items. Our total will come to $27.90. Suave products have an instant savings right now. Spend $8, get $2 off. So $2 is going to come off for instant savings. You're going to enter your number at the keypad. $21 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax just $4.90. Okay, that's all the scenarios I have for you today. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch my videos. Also, thank you for all the goodwill messages I got. I really appreciate it. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the little bell, turn notifications to all so you get a notification anytime I post a video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. Also, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, leave them in the comment section down below. I hope you all have an amazing weekend. Have a good time couponing. And as always, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. And until next time, bye.